Hey YouTube, what's up? Woodsman500 here. I'm here with another video for you guys. Still talking about fishing gear and kind of random stuff now that we're talking about. Just what I got here. Actually, I'll show you right now. Woodsman500 here if I didn't say before. Look at other videos if you haven't. Check out my website as well. I figured I'd give it some promotion. I'll throw it up in annotation because it's a really complicated name, and I should throw it up right there. Get my hands right around there. I don't know why I did that. That's a very good question, by the way. I know you leave your wonderful comments. So let's start talking about what I got here. Yeah, pretty random stuff. So here I have the, just a really old reel. I took it apart. I really shouldn't have. Never take apart your fishing rods. This is an open face reel, by the way. Because they're very complicated to try and figure out how to get back together. Obviously. Because I'm still trying to figure it out. Yeah, it used to be a good reel. I used it for a while. It's really old. But, oh well. It works. Or used to work until I took it apart. I'll fix it, don't worry. Eventually. It's not real demand because I got other rods. You may see them on that you may see on other videos. Next thing I have here, I kind of jumped off this little thing here. They're pretty cool. Right here at this top, it rotates, and I can pick out the different hooks that I want. Like I said before, $6 or $7. It's pretty slim and it's pretty lightweight. They're kind of small hooks in this one, smaller than I'd like, really. But you can get ones that have bigger hooks into them. Any hooks really are good for live bait if you're using that, or even if you're using the plastic lures, but I'd rather have walleye eyes, which I'll talk about when I get to this. This is a Cabela's magazine, actually. They have some pretty cool stuff for fishing tackle. For copyright reasons, I won't go too deeply into it. I don't want to get caught up in any of that sort of stuff, so. But I haven't got anything. Well, give me a sec here. I'll try and show you the walleye eyes. This catalog has been looked through many times, trust me. Try and show you them. They're kind of hard to describe. They're like a hook, except they got an eye on the end of them. I'll try and bring some up here to show you. Check out Cabela's website, by the way, Cabela's Canada. Pretty good websites if you're interested in ordering anything or just looking for stuff. There's, like, you can get boxes of the hooks, larger hooks, from here and stuff. Like I said, for copyright reasons, I don't want to get too caught up into this book. Where are they? They're close, don't worry. Awesome magazines, either way you look at it. That's what they look like. That's not big boxes that you can get, but I don't know if you can see them, but at the end of them lures, there's little tiny eyes, and it's attached right to the hook. Anyways, yeah, get a couple. Ask your person at your local retailer. He'll show you them. Don't worry about it. They're great to have, though, if you can figure out how to put them together. And yeah, I like them. They're pretty good. If I could had the money, I'd pick some up. Next thing I'm showing you here is this is right over here. Oh, whoops, upside down. There's your problem. It's the Science bushel series. Pretty cool. If you're wondering what it is, it's a water tester. It's in a fanny pack, by the way, so it goes right around your waist. Kind of a neat thing, kind of a family type thing if you go take some notes. Kind of cool. Nice little fanny pack they made. In here, as you can see, there's all your water testing. In these little tubes, they're almost like, you know what I mean. They're almost like the camera things. This is for just water. This is just a water test. I'll pop one open here so you can see what's inside. Oh, do not eat. Oh, I guess there's none left. Well, that's kind of a fail. Good material for fail blogs, by the way. Here we go. Carbon monoxide. This is water testing, like I said before. Oh, here we go. This is just a little tablet. You must throw that in the water. I don't know. I haven't experimented with it too much, though. But it does give you, if I could find one that had some in it. This is sampling vial. Oh. Okie dokie. Whoa. Okay. Yeah, like I said, fail blog material. There's just water in that. This is secondhand too, so I haven't really looked at it. Oh, this is acid rain. I think there's some in here. Ah, here we go. Okay. Now we're rocking. Took me a while, sorry guys. This is what they look like. That's your little chart that you get for testing it. And you get little tiny strips. Just like that. In this little container. And you dip them in the water and lay it flat and see what color it turns and then record your results. Yeah, so I think it's kind of neat. I haven't used it yet. Beautiful container though, all lined up in a row. In the back here, they just give you a little bit of information. They give you some science expert sheets for filling out. I don't know what they're for. They give you a little article on how to use it, and then they give you the actual test. This is for gas test. This is a gas test. LOL, I know. They give you all kinds of charts for different colors and stuff. They actually give you a little information booklet on that, and they give you an observation logbook. It's all it is. It's a little like notepad type thing. They even give you a nice little pencil there. Look, even has Bushnell on it. See, so they give you you gotta write down your name, your results, all that fancy jazz. I like it. It's kind of a neat thing to have around. Like I said, like a family thing. You could go into your local pond and test the water. And it's kind of neat. Also very good if you want to test water, see what's in it, test your well water and such for bacteria. But you should really have somebody in there to do it for you. So that pretty much wraps it up for really random fishing stuff. Yeah, that's part 2, and I'm pretty much done. I got nothing else to talk about fishing gear. You'll see my fishing rod and stuff in other videos after I get my video camera, or my aunt's video camera, really set up and ready to go, so I can start taking videos out in the woods, showing you guys my territory, what I do with it. So, yeah, see you YouTube.